Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 14, часть 2, страница 36-37. English Starlight 4. Homework, lesson number 14, part number 2, page number 36, 37. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I am glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I am very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 36, 36. We read the text. London, England. We usually have a big breakfast at the weekend. We usually have eggs, beans, sausages, and toast. Yummy. Translate the text. The next. Valencia, Spain. My favorite food is paella. It's rice with seafood. We eat paella straight from the pan with our wooden spoons. It's delicious. Rabat, Morocco. Couscous is very popular in Morocco. My mom makes the best couscous salad. She uses tomatoes, onions, olive oil, and couscous, of course. Why don't you try it? It tastes great. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Read and complete the sentences. Прочитай и закончи предложение. The answer. Number 1. Weekend. Number 2. Seafood. Number 3. Olive oil. Number 1. We usually have a big breakfast at the weekend. Number 2. Paella is rice with seafood. Number 3. In couscous salad, there are tomatoes, onions, couscous, and olive oil. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 37, 37. Exercise number 2. Complete the sentences in any way you like. Then read the text and check your answers. Закончи предложение, как ты хочешь. Затем прочитай текст и проверь свои ответы. The answer. Fry eggs. In Russia, people eat fried eggs for breakfast. Read the text. Moscow, Russia. Breakfast in Russia is a very important meal because the weather is cold and we need to eat something warm and healthy to start the day. Some people drink coffee for breakfast, but hot tea is more popular. There are lots of different kinds of bread to eat. Brown bread is very traditional in Russia. Blini, pancakes, sausages, and fried eggs are also typical things to eat for breakfast. Kasha porridge is also very popular, especially for children. We eat it with tvorog, a kind of cottage cheese, and sugar. Ivan. St. Petersburg, Russia. She is very popular in Russia. It is cabbage soup, and you can put anything in it. A lot of Russian proverbs talk about this soup in them. For example, «Щи да каша, пища наша» means «Щи and kasha are our food. My mom makes the best щи in Russia. She puts cabbage, of course, meat, carrots, onions, and green pepper. You can eat it щи at any time of the year. It's delicious. Tanya. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read the text again and answer the questions. Прочитай заново тексты и ответь на вопросы. Number 1. What kind of bread is traditional in Russia? Какой вид хлеба традиционный в России? The answer. Brown bread is traditional in Russia. Хлеб из непросеянной муки – очень традиционный хлеб в России. Number 2. What are some typical things to eat for breakfast? Какая обычная еда на завтрак? The answer. Блины, sausages, and fried eggs are typical things to eat for breakfast. Блины, сосиски, жареные яйца также являются обычной едой на завтрак. Number 3. What does Tanya's mother put in her щи? Что мама Тани кладет в свои щи? The answer. She puts cabbage, meat, carrots, onions and green pepper. Она кладет капусту, мясо, морковку, лук и зеленый перец. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Write about your favorite food. Present it to the class. Напиши про свою любимую еду. Представь ее классу. The answer. My favorite food is пельмени, meat dumplings. My mom makes the best пельменис in Russia. They are made from meat and dough. I can eat them for breakfast, lunch and dinner. You can eat them with smetana, sour cream. They are delicious. The next answer. Most of all, I like to eat голубцы, cabbage rolls. My granny makes the most delicious голубцы in the world. She puts meat with rice on the cabbage leaf and rolls it up. Usually we eat them for dinner. Yummy. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.